Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, we're gonna continue our second part of University of Stuttgart video for the course Electrical Engineering, where we talk detailedly about in first part how to register and how to log into this particular website where I am showing you and what are the course to select and how to continue further. Today in the second part I will be filling in all corresponding personal details and also educational background details, and also we will be putting all relevant documents, then we will be submitting our application. So this will be planned for today's video, which is our second part. So if you have not seen our first and requirement analysis part, please go check out our first requirement analysis and the first part of the video, then you are ready to apply or come to watch this second part of the video, then you can apply. And this particular video will be out on 27, so you will have around 15 days again to look for this video apply for you, because the application deadline for master degree course for electrical engineering for winter semester 2025 will be January 15th for this particular course. For starting, I just wanted to mention you guys, if you are new to this channel, then please click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with people who are in need so that they can also get to see this video, apply from themselves by looking at our videos and get to master degree courses wherever they like in Germany. Now I will just go through the second part of the video. Let's get started. Now I took some time and filled in all complete application procedure, then I will just go through, then this will also make my life easier. So that's why I filled beforehand, and then I will explain while on the flow. So here, start of the course, we selected winter semester 2025 and 2026, and we are doing master degree program for the Master of Science for Electrical Engineering, which is completely taught in English, and we are applying for manual semester or manual admission for the first semester, because we are not jumping in from any other university to pursue this college. And this is naturally, we are also did our bachelor degree in outside Germany, that's why we are clicking on consecutive master's degree. If you want to click on second degree, then that means second degree means if a person who has already done one master degree in Germany applying for second master degree in Germany, then you have to select a second master degree. But as of now, we done our bachelor's in India, and this time we are applying for masters only specifically in Germany, that's why we are clicking on consecutive master degree. Then you can click on continue. After clicking on continue, in personal data you have to give your first name, last name, sex, date of birth, place of birth, and which is your country of birth. After giving all personal data, then please click on continue. As soon as you clicked on continue, then it will ask for corresponding address where they have to communicate if they have anything to communicate. So this will be your mail delivery address, street and other things that you want to give completely, because once you get your admission also they will send you your offer letter. Then you have given your email ID, please confirm that you have given the correct email ID. Then also please click in that your corresponding address is same as your permanent home address, otherwise you need to give your corresponding address again. So then you can click on continue. As soon as you clicked on continue, higher entrance examination, higher entrance qualification. So this, every time when I make a video, this will be a debate. Always higher entrance examination qualification, what I have to give, either my bachelor's or your PUC. I always in my video I always told you have to give your 12, because higher entrance examination, entrance qualification, nothing but the entrance qualification that you have done as of now is your bachelor's. In order to do that, what is the entrance qualification that you had in order to do bachelor's is your 12th. That's the reason you have to give higher entrance entrance qualification. Education entrance qualification would be PUC in order to pursue that you have done already, which is your bachelor's. And that's the reason we have clicked on I have obtained a foreign higher education entrance qualification. Then the type will be general university entrance qualification, which is school abroad. But here people may also argue why I should not select subject specific. You can select subject specific if you have done after 10th a diploma in electrical engineering and you want to pursue master degree in University of Stuttgart, then you have to select subject specific qualification, then school abroad. So this point, this you are selecting only when you have done a subject specific university entrance qualification, which is what in our India, which is diploma. Okay, but if you have done your proper 12th, which is general, then you have to select a general university entrance qualification, which is school abroad. So which I have done is PUC, which is 12th, and it is general university entrance qualification. That's the reason I'm clicking school abroad, which is general university entrance qualification. Then name of the certificate which I got awarded was pre-university college. So for you guys, if it is 12th and other name of the certificate is different, please look at your certificate which you have got after you finished your 12th. So please fill in the details that they have mentioned there. Then date of certificate will be the date that they have mentioned in the certificate. Then average grade would be always you can convert, as I told you about this university grade conversion tool of TU Munich. So here you can also convert from percentage to GPA. So the maximum grade for your university to get a pass is 100, that is the maximum percentage, and the minimum percentage that you need to in order to get pass is 35. And I also filled in my how much percentage that I have got in PUC or 12th. That's the reason I got 1.1 German GPA, that I have put it here. So you can also convert by yourself here in the grade conversion tool. I will also attach this in description, the link of the grade conversion tool. Then name of the school that I studied is Marimalapa Pre-University College. This will differ based on your college which you have studied. Please give in the school name that you have studied. Then location of school, which will be where you studied, and country of school, which will be India, and state which I studied is Karnataka. You have filled all higher education entrance qualification, then you're good to go. Click on continue. You have filled in higher entrance education qualification. Now you're filling in the entrance qualification which you have done for your master degree application, which is what your academic background, which is bachelor of degree. So that's the reason here you need to give your bachelor degree details. So here the country of education where you have done first university would be India, and university, as soon as you clicked on India, here there are some universities that they have to fill in. So if you don't have any university mentioned in the drop down, then please mention it below, because our university was also not mentioned in the drop down, and that's the reason I mentioned Vishweshwaraya Technological University in the drop down. And you need to give a official website of your university, then the degree of name, which I did was Bachelor of Engineering, and it is my first degree. So here, if you remember in the first part when we were selecting consecutive master degree, second degree or first degree, we also read for first degree means what you have done in UG. So my first degree that I have done UG is Bachelor of Engineering in VTU. That's the reason I have selected this degree as my first degree, and the subject which we have done is electrical engineering. Then start to end is our 8th semester course, which is our bachelor's. So I started in 2016 and finished in 2020. That's the reason I have selected winter semester 2016 and summer semester 2020 as my finished. And in this 8th semester I did one semester my internship, and I have not taken any leave of absence. If you have taken any leave of absence as a semester, then please give in the semester, then what are the interruption that you had, interruption semester and things like that. And here type of break you will have, if you select any one as an leave of absence, then type of break option will be enabled, then you can select which option to give. Then in our university we didn't had any intermediate exam, so if you guys have any intermediate exam in your universities, please mention, because we had our own final exam at last. We had semester exam, but that cannot be considered an intermediate exam because it has 8 exams. So 8 intermediate exams I can't put in. So that's the reason I left it as not scheduled. And in final examination, I clicked on passed on whole, because I have not scheduled, not completed, definite failed. It's not matching me because I have passed on whole, because I have got the degree certificate already and I have also finished it. Then the grade conversion, again here our maximum CGPA to get is 10 in India, and the minimum CGPA to pass is 4 or 5. So this is controversial again, but we got to know in the YouTube also in my videos, some people who applied for it after in new circumstances and got their CGPA converted by UniSS, and they have considered 5 as the minimum. So that's why in our videos nowadays we will also consider 5 as our minimum CGPA for VTU and other universities. Please look into your transcript. Then the CGPA that I have got in a bachelor's is 8.8. If I convert, then I will get a German GPA of 1.7. That is what I have given here, 1.7. Then the date when you're finished is date when you're finished in the bachelor degree certificate, which will be mentioned when you got your bachelor degree awarded. Then you can click on save and close. So as soon as you save and close, your academic background is finished.